Hi, I'm Rama Hariharan from Chennai. Uh, I'm also a housewife, and coming to this Gurukul for 7 days at Swara Konkan is a treat. Believe me, it's a total treat for the body, mind, and soul. It's a getaway from the hurry and scurry and buzz of the city life and into this serene 5-acre farm filled with mango, coconut, guava, lemon, cashew orchards, large open spaces, so conducive for learning. Dr. Shekhar Algungi's attempt and efforts to help us into look at deeper into certain family characteristics of certain families of the plant kingdom and the guided case taking, his unique way and approach has helped everybody, including the students who have been coming here. The kind of hand holding that he does at every little step of the case taking has helped instill a lot of confidence in being able to take the case. His approach of and gentle, systematic approach and gentle reminder to go beyond the word and look at the response of the patient through the English language grammar, I think is a unique addition to case taking processes. The smaller groups that we were formed into for debates and in of a video case every day helped to make out the finer differences of each plant family, especially the close ones. Very heated discussions, but in the process we really learned exactly how, say in the um, crucifera family, how each remedy would differ, and in between two close families, how it would be different. Very well brought out during those discussions and debates. Of course, there were quizzes and there were prizes for all. We also had fun. We went on a session. We had a session in a stream deep into the Sahyadri Mountains. There were sessions in the open. We had a Christmas party, fun and games and dance and music. We also had fabulous food all the 7 days, home cooked, fresh. In these days of pollution, this is a treat for body, mind, and soul. Aesthetically presented on leaves, served by those eager thighs. Really, really enriching, enriching. So Dr. Shekhar Algungi's entire team went out of their way to make everybody comfortable. The stay was comfortable rooms with attached toilets. It's, I think, a unique place where every student of homeopathy, irrespective of where we are in terms of practice and which school we follow, it would help us a great deal to come here, be with other homeopaths, breathe, eat, talk, sleep, and think homeopathy for 7 days, and learn how to take a case effectively. As Dr. Hanuman says, a well taken case is half cured. Thank you very much.